Now, let's get to work, preparing to navigate this challenging economy and discuss what you can do to thrive in it. It seems to me the most important thing is to keep a roof over your head. About 6 years ago, after a year of being on a waiting list, we were able to move into a new apartment building with a cost cap that keeps our monthly payment about 35 to 40% below market rates. It's a new, beautiful unit. We're very fortunate. I believe we're in good shape on this front. Perhaps it's time to ensure your housing situation is secure. Do whatever you can to shore it up. There's a young woman who comes to help us out around the flat. Just last week, she changed her living situation, moving out of an apartment into a rental home. She'll be living with her 2-year-old baby, the child's dad, and her brother will be moving into the house with them. She's in a much better housing environment while spreading out the cost with a beloved family member. In my view, her timing couldn't be better. You need a place to call home every night. Do everything you can to ensure you have a situation that'll last. One of the housing-related expenses that is giving many people fits is utilities, particularly electricity. Are you getting shocked by the price of electricity? I've found a resource that could help reduce your electricity bill significantly. I'll put a link to it below this video. If you pick it up, I'll get compensated. Thank you very much. Seriously, all you can typically do with this category is do your best to conserve wherever and however you can. I don't have much recent experience with this because our building's heated and cooled using geothermal and solar energy sources, so we don't have utility bills. That's a nice deal if you can get it right. Are you carrying some credit card debt that you can't pay off every month? I feel you. In the next video, we will discuss credit card debt. If you believe you have that subject all handled, skip that one.